My name is Nadine Fiani. I am an assistant clinical professor of dentistry and oral surgery at Cornell, and I'm going to tell you just a little bit about our new course for the New York State Conference this year. We're actually pretty excited about it. We've decided to try something a little bit new. So what we've decided to do is build a 3-day program where the very first day, which is a Friday, is a full day of lectures, starting from the very basic building blocks of dentistry and oral surgery, so relevant clinical anatomy and physiology, and build up on that in the more specialized areas, so a little bit about periodontal disease or endodontics or malocclusions. But we've tried very hard to keep the topics so that they are relevant to the general practitioners and that the information is immediately applicable in the clinical setting. Our Day 2 is an exciting program that takes a blended approach to learning, where we're going to be concentrating largely on intraoral radiology, particularly in the dog. There is an online component where you take your time, you do it in your own pace at home, and is pretty exciting because it's not just videos, it's actually a combination of approaches that we've used, including puzzles, interactive quizzes, and little tools to help you move along through this topic and help reinforce your understanding, with the idea that you would then come to the wet lab, which will be held at the conference itself, and you can get a lot more one-on-one attention, and you can really practice those practical skills, and also how to interpret, which is the real crux of this area of dentistry in itself. On the final day of the conference, we are offering a regional anesthesia and dental extraction wet lab. This is very, very relevant to your day-to-day clinical work. We are covering everything from the equipment that you will require right through to the various techniques necessary to extract teeth safely. We also try and cover some information about potential complications and the best ways to avoid that. The 3 days are run independently, which is designed to offer you the ability to mix and match and sort of choose the areas of dentistry that best suit your needs. We're very excited to be offering this new program at the New York State Veterinary Conference, and we hope to see you in October.